G'day, I'm Ralph Schwarz. Welcome to Geoterrics Outdoors Australia. The other day I was over at King's Camping, their new store in Fyshwick in Canberra here, and getting some other bits and pieces, and I saw the survival first aid kit. I've seen these for a while. I've actually seen them on Wish and gone, wasn't much of a fan from afar, but I thought, you know what, I may just get one of these. As it turns out, the first look that I've had at this thing, I was very, very impressed. I love the way they have colour coded everything here. And look, let's just have a quick look and see what it's like on the inside. So first impressions are that this is okay. You could wear this on a belt if you needed to, or you could put it on your waist strap of a backpack. It's probably 1.5 kilos. Okay, so when we open it up, let's see what we find here. Okay, I don't think we can get it all in, unfortunately. Let's start on this end. We've got wound closures, cotton gauze swabs, so wound cleaning, major wounds, burns or abrasions. It's all labelled. iPads, wound dressing, major wounds, skin cleaning wipes, triangular bandages, pressure bandage. Wow, they've actually got the snake bite bandage here. Spectacular. So you can use it for venomous snake and funnel web spider bites, and you make this as tight as it needs to be until that rectangle becomes a square. When you put it on that tight, you know it's tight enough. Pressure bandages, conforming bandages if you need them, eye irrigation, skin cleaning wipes, which these fell out, they've been fairly generous, plastic bag for waste, you've got little safety pins, emergency blanket, burns, scalds, you've got gloves, infection protection, adhesive dressings. My word, look how many different types of Band-Aids they've got. They've got more eye stuff here. They've got there, you've got spares, you've got tweezers, shears, fever scan strip, wow, and splinter probes. Now this particular first aid kit, unlike the boating one and the other Trafalgar, this was around about the $150 mark. And okay, I can see that this is all of $150 worth of first aid kit. Look, you've even got extra pack stuff here. My goodness me, I didn't even see that. Instant ice pack if you need it. Oh, and it's also got a little first aid book, and it's got a splinter probe there. No, that's a pencil for writing. Now, one thing I love about this, I don't feel that I need to set this up in any particular way. I'm 100% confident I can pack this up, put it in the car, and not need to add anything to it until, of course, I've used stuff out of it. I tell you, it takes a bit to impress me with first aid kits, because I've seen hundreds of them over the world and over the 35 years I've been doing this. This one here, as much as I didn't think much of them when I saw them on Wish, and I went, oh, that's a bit gimmicky. This has got everything where I want it to be, where I need it to be, and it all folds up into a little bag that is small enough to reasonably wear on your belt or on your backpack straps. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. And you know what? For a first aid kit, out of 5, I'd give this, I think 4.75 out of 5. Let's see if there's anything better out there. I would argue that this is quite possibly Australia's best first aid kit for the money, straight out of the box. There you have it. Hey, if you've enjoyed this video, please share it with like-minded friends. Please make a comment if you've got something to say. Please like and please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And thanks for watching.